There's a feature in ToDoIst you just don't use. I'm serious. You don't use it. Why don't you use it? It's a well-established thing that you can do a quick add in ToDoIst from anywhere on your computer or within the software. If you just press A, you'll do one. And the natural language processing is great because I can say like task today at 5 p.m. recurring every week at 5, and all that kind of stuff makes sense. You can put little things like your project names very easily, your labels really easily. But you know there's a command bar, right? Like if I press Control K, I can also do this natural language processing, and it will show me all the different shortcuts that are possible. Also, I can just type things out. So I'm in the inbox right now. If I press Control K and press home and press enter, I just went to the today section, which is home. If I do the same thing and press Control K and do upcoming, it'll bring me to the upcoming section. It's similar to like Spotlight on Windows or the Power Toys Run thing on PC. And say I was in here, then I can go profile. It would open up just this here. So I don't really need to move my cursor that much in ToDoIst. It's very slept on, the fact that you can quick capture and also do these other things. Like for example, Control K again, add task for tomorrow. It brings up a new task bar that is already preset for tomorrow. So it does part of the natural language processing. We could also take advantage of using this as a reference for keybinds, right? So open month picker is something that I didn't even realize was a thing for this upcoming section, that you could do that from a keyboard shortcut perspective. And as you can see, this is something that's very contextual per page. It's giving me the option to go back to today for just this page, right? So if I do this, go back to today, it is doing it for this specific page. If I go back to an inbox thing, it's going to give me more options along those lines. And the navigation stuff's pretty universal, but this top section here is very much a part of the view or project I'm in itself, because one of these is going to obviously do something like give me the option to share the project really easily. And if I want to get rid of the command bar, you press Control K. It's really nice for things that are like keyboard shortcuts that just don't seem to work often. Like if I press Shift S right now, it does share it, but there are other things where I feel like you may do them and you just feel like they're not working. And everyone's experienced that thing in any software, so it's nice to have the command bar as an option to be like, hey, is this actually the thing that I wanted to do? And shift left and right brings you back and forth between these, but maybe you're not sure even what the shift symbol is. I didn't understand this for a little while using the software, and the command bar actually is what helped me figure it out. Try to use the command bar more. And if you want to learn more tips like this about ToDoIst, I have a course that's been on Skillshare for a while, which I think you should check out. Also, make sure to check out this video to see how you can improve your productivity even more.